Hey, it's Hero Squad Property Management tuning in. It's your boy Calvin. Hey, here's the kitchen of that property I bought for $1,000. Um, just wanted to show you some before and after pictures. Yeah, this kitchen was hit, and I didn't have a lot of money to get this particular kitchen up to what I wanted it to look. So I had about a budget of maybe, I want to say, $3,000. So it was a lot of stuff that I had to, patch up, get it together. It came out pretty good. So everything was in there brand new. The only thing that I really just was patching up was the walls, and I had to change it up. I had to tear out some old cabinets. It looked the layout was just terrible. But I got it together, and got a lot of stuff that was on sale. Cabinets ran me about, I want to say, like $700. The subway tile was about a dollar a square foot. I got that on sale. Oh my god, it was a funny story, but I don't have enough time. Range hood was like 200 bucks. Stove refrigerator was about $1,000. I got vinyl flooring. It ran me about $100. So I definitely kept it. The ceiling fan was about 200 bucks, I think. It definitely came out pretty good. But hey, I just need you all to subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to show you how to remodel a house on a budget. You don't have to pay nobody no $3,000. You can do it yourself. YouTube is a hell of a tool. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. You all have a good and productive day. Thank you.